All right, let's look at the homework 4.1, problem number 7. All right, let's find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum value of this given function here. All right, so first we need to find critical number. So this is going to be a step 1. All right, so I'm going to take the derivative, f prime of x is equal to. All right, before that, maybe I should rewrite this guy as 4 times x to the negative 1. All right, derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of 4 x to the negative 1 is negative 4 x to the subtract 1, so it's negative 2. So we can write it as 1 minus 4 over x squared, right? Or we can just find the common denominator. So 1 is equivalent to x squared over x squared minus 4 over x squared, right? So if you set this guy equal to 0, then you can see that we have to make x squared has to be equal to 4 to get the numerator 0. And then we can just take the square root to get x is going to be equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. All right, so in this case, the interval is 0.2 to 8, so we only consider the positive 2 because negative 2 is not on this interval. All right, so in step 2, all you have to do is evaluate this original function at 2 endpoints and the critical number. So we're going to have to compute f of, so left endpoint is 0.2. And then critical number, in this case, is 2. And then right endpoint is 8, so f of 8. All right, so if you plug it in, so you have a 0.2 plus 4 over 0.2. So I don't like a 0.2 there, so I'm going to multiply bottom by 5 and top by 5. So we get 0.2 plus, all right, so 5 times 0.2 is 1. So 5 times 4 is 20. So it's going to be 20 over 1, which is 20. So this is going to give you 20.2. All right, when x equals 2, you plug in 2 here plus 4 over 2. So it's 2 plus 2, so 4. Right? And when it's 8, so you have 8 plus 4 over 8. So that's going to be 8 and a half, so 8.5. Right, so we know that our largest value is going to be, so this is going to be a step 3. Maybe I should write that. Step 3 would be you pick the largest value for absolute maximum. So you can see here, all right, this guy is the largest, so this is going to be our absolute maximum. All right, and then smallest value is 4, so here this is going to be our absolute minimum. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so absolute minimum is 4 and absolute max is 20.2. All right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got both of these guys correctly. All right, so this is called the closed interval method. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.